Welcome back to our journey through the lush world of plants. Today we're diving into the intriguing world of Marble Queen Pothos. Did you know that this plant isn't just a stunning addition to your home, but also an air purifying powerhouse? And its variegated leaves, with their striking mix of green and creamy white, earned its nickname Devil's Ivy due to its ability to thrive in low light conditions and seemingly indestructible nature. Marble Queen Pothos originates from the Solomon Islands in the South Pacific. This plant is celebrated for its heart-shaped leaves, which are marbled with shades of green and creamy white. Its elegant trailing vines can add a touch of natural beauty to any space. Marble Queen Pothos is not only visually stunning, but also incredibly versatile. One of the key reasons for Marble Queen Pothos' popularity is its adaptability. It can thrive in various light conditions, from low to bright, although it tends to develop the most vibrant variegation in medium to bright indirect light. As for watering, it's best to let the soil dry out slightly between waterings to prevent overwatering. Marble Queen Pothos isn't just about aesthetics. It's a renowned air purifier known to remove common indoor pollutants like formaldehyde from the air. It's an excellent choice to create a healthier indoor environment. Aside from its air purifying qualities, Marble Queen Pothos is often chosen as a hanging or trailing plant, gracing shelves, bookcases, or hanging baskets with its cascading vines. Some even choose to train it to climb trellises or walls for added visual impact. Marble Queen Pothos, with its stunning, variegated foliage and air purifying abilities, is a must-have for both novice and experienced plant enthusiasts. Whether you're drawn to its striking appearance or its capacity to enhance indoor air quality, this plant is a true natural wonder. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of Marble Queen Pothos. Stay tuned for more fascinating plant profiles and gardening insights on our channel.